Welcome back class 10th. Now we will take example number 5 of exercise 13.3. Okay, example 5. See student, I am reading. A container shaped like right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter. See, cylinder, let us immediately write the solid. What is that? Cylinder. Okay, diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Immediately if diameter is given, we can write radius equal to 6 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. So let us take radius r1 and height h1. Okay, fine. Is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having hemispherical shape on the top. So see, ice cream in this cylinder is filled into small cones. The shape of that cone is like a cone with hemispherical top. Height of this cone is 12 centimeter and diameter is 6 centimeter. You can write then, see, small cones. What is of the shape? Cone plus hemisphere top. Yes or no? Got it? Now this if I take cone, its height is 12 centimeter. We have taken h1 here. Let us take this h2 and its diameter is 6 centimeter. Means radius we can write r2 equal to 3 centimeter and diameter of the cone equal to diameter of hemisphere. So radius of hemisphere is also r2, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, they are telling us to find the number of such cones. Let us take number of cones, number of small cones equal to n. Therefore volume of cylinder, that volume of ice cream in cylinder will be equal to n times volume of small cones. Yes or no? Got it students? Volume of n times volume of one small cone, and one small cone is containing cone plus hemisphere. So we will write it clearly in the step. So volume of cylinder, what is the formula? Pi r square h, that is r1 h1. N multiplied by what is small cone? That is cone plus hemisphere. Okay students, see, now we will write formula pi r1 square h1 equal to n bracket, cone is what? 1/3 pi r square h, that is r2 h2 plus 2/3 pi r cube. This is also r2 because radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cone. Now see, it is pi is common in all this. We will take pi common. Okay, pi r1 square h equal to n multiplied by pi 1/3 r2 square h2 plus 2/3 r2 cube. Clear? Now see students, put the values. Before putting values, just cancel this pi. Pi is common. R1 is how much? R1 is yes 6 centimeter. 6 square is 36. H1 is 15 equal to n multiplied by 1/3. What is R2? R2 is what? 3. 3 square is 9. H2 is 12 plus 2/3. R2 cube means 3 cube is 27. Clear? Now simplify this. Children, be careful in simplification, otherwise we may get mistakes. Rare carelessness, we are not bothering, may give us wrong answer. So 12 3 is 36 plus, see again cancellation by 3, 9, 9 2 is 18. Got it? So 36 multiplied by 15 equal to n multiplied by this 36 plus 18, 54. So cross multiplication, 36 multiplied by 15 upon 54 equal to n. Okay, cancel by 9. 9 4 36, 9 6 54. Again see, by 2 we can cancel. Okay, now 3 and 15 we can cancel. 3 pi is 15. 5 2 is 10. So n equal to 10 small cones can be converted from one cylinder. Okay, Now this from this example number 5 we solve. Please try to understand, see the video 2 times and watch it. Okay students, now let us take example number 8. I am taking example 8. See, very important, very important. See, look children, I am reading from the book. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. See, canal. Write down shape. What is canal? See, it's 6 meter wide. Wide means breadth equal to 6 meter. And deep 1.5 means height equal to 1.5 meter height. Okay. Is flowing with the speed of 10 kilometer per hour. What is speed of water? Speed of water equal to 10 kilometer per hour. You know, 10 kilometer per hour means 10 kilometer long in 1 hour. So breadth is 6 meter, height is 1.5 meter, and in 1 hour this length will be 10 kilometer. See, look here, units are different, meter, meter, kilometer. Immediately convert these all units in same, right? Let us convert this kilometer into meter. We can make it this 10,000 meter in 1 hour. Got it? So you can name this. 10,000 is what? Length equal to 10,000 meter in 1 hour. Remember this. Clear? Further, let us talk now. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? If 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. Now student, look here. From this canal, water is going to field. Don't know what is shape. Yes or no? See, shape may be shape of the water going to field may be cube, square, maybe rectangle, maybe irregular, but always you see in field when water is going to field, that shape is irregular, is neither cube or not square. It is not like this. It is always irregular. So, but its height is well defined. Height is told to us. What is height? 8 centimeter. This top is what? Area. So if we take area multiplied by height, the volume of the water is there in the field. Got it? So let area, see, let area of water in field equal to capital A, because that is irregular, and height equal to 8 centimeter. Look here now, this is all in meter. So will this 8 centimeter you can convert into meter. That is what equal to divided by 100, 0.08 meter. Got it? And volume is what? Area into height. That is why, therefore, volume of water in canal equal to volume of water in field. Got it? Now, what is volume of water in canal? That is what? Cuboid. Yes or no? LBH. And volume of water in field is area multiplied by height. Okay. So see now, length is known to you, 10,000. Breadth is known to you, 6. Height is known, 1.5. Equal to area multiplied by height is 0.08. So you can find area equal to A for area equal to 10,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 0.5 upon 0.08. Cross multiplication. Did you understand this matter of area on the ground in the field? That is always irregular, but area multiplied by height is volume. Now see, remove this decimal. We are getting it now. See, 1, if we shift by 2 places, I can understand you must know this removal of decimals. And if you don't know, simple way, this 1.5 is 1.5 is 15 upon 10. 0.08 means 8 upon 100. Yes, or this 100 will go up. We are getting now, see, 10,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 100 upon 8 multiplied by 10. See, this 100 is because of 0.08 and upon 10 is because of 15. So 0 cancel. Okay students, now again see, you can cancel this 10 and 8, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. Again you can cancel this by 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6. Some students are directly cancelling. They are very good. Now again see, if we divide 10,000 by 2, we are getting 5,000. 5,000 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 5. Got it? So this is what? Yours square meter. And this area is in 1 hour. This area is in 1 hour. So area in 1 hour, we got it now. Area in 1 hour equal to 5,000 multiplied by 3 pi is 15 multiplied by 15 square meter. So they are asking us to find area of water in 30 minutes. So therefore 1 hour means we can take the 60 minutes equal to 5,000 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 square meter. So 30 minutes equal to 5,000 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 30 upon 60. See students, this unitary method is very important. You must know what it. So this 0 0 cancel, 3 2 6. Again cancel by 2. You are getting 2,500 multiplied by 15 square is 225. Clear? Please. Okay. Now just see this. You are getting it 225 multiplied by 2,500. Please multiply properly in corner so that you are getting it. Right? See. 500, 500, 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10 to 12. 200, 0, 2 5 10, 2 2 4 plus 1 5. Okay, see, multiply properly. 0 0 0 5. 0 0 5 2 6 1. See this 0 0 5 2 6 and this is what? 5. You are getting it now. So we got 562,500 square meter. 5,62,500 square meter area is spreaded in 30 minutes. Got it? Please check properly and multiply. Got it, children? So this example you try to understand. Watch video 2 times. Important in this example is this one. Students are getting confused. अभी इसका केवल हाइट दिया है, एरिया पता नहीं. एरिया इरेगुलर होता है हमेशा, दैट इज ऑलवेज इरेगुलर. सो एरिया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय हाइट इज वॉल्यूम. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम कैनल विल बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन फील्ड दैट इज स्प्रेड. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो दिस combination very important. You must know what it. Let us hope. I hope that you will understand this. Watch video 2 times. Understand. Fine. Okay.